Hello there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to install the FlexIt suite for CorelDRAW 2017. My name is Michael. I'm one of the support specialists here at LaserJumpStart, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this today. As always, I'm going to be covering the important parts of this installation, but I will be going fairly quickly, so if at any point you need to, pause the video, go ahead and let your system catch up, and then we can be on the same page and get this sorted out quickly. Without any further ado, let's go. After purchasing our software, you will be sent an email, so let's go ahead and check that. So right here, it is mail big file, and because it is a file that we're sending, a big file that we're sending over. In my example, I am using the FlexIt suite for a 2017 download, but I will still be using the correct files to do the FlexIt suite for 2017. Same steps, just different names throughout this entire thing. Anyway, go ahead and click on both of these links. It'll open up these two pages. The FlexIt suite is 200 megabytes, so it will take around 5 minutes to download. While it's downloading, look at this Get Started guide. It will help you out. It gives a little bit of general information right to start off with. It's a very quick look through, so we'll go ahead and download that and then show it in folder. So there they are, both of those downloads. The FlexIt suite will not quite be ready yet. It does need to be unzipped, so we're going to extract all, right click, extract all. That is an option in Windows 10. Browse, and then I'm going to put it on the folder that I already have set up, FlexIt 2017, and select that folder. Now then, to extract those files, we do simply click on Extract. I already have them there, so I'm going to click on Cancel, and Desktop, and back into that folder that I was just showing you. So this is all the information that we'll need here. The install.cdr is the file that we want to look into. We do need to make sure, however, that CorelDRAW is ready. So let's open up CorelDRAW 2017, go into our Tools and Options, so way up here. And then under Workspace, in VBA, we need to make sure that Delay Load VBA is unselected. It'll help us out in the long run. So okay. We're all ready. Go back into that file and let's run this installation. So a couple of pop-ups will appear. First one, we do want to enable macros, as this is a macro. Yes, we want to install it. And then it is installing in the background. It does take a short bit on 2017, and so once this is completed, all you have to do is close out of CorelDRAW and then reopen it, that is restarting it, and you will have access to the FlexIt suite. And that's that. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope that it helped you out on your way. For more information on our products, check out our YouTube channel for more videos, or head to our website at LaserJumpStart.com. You can also give us a call. Our office hours are from 9 to 5:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, and our phone number is listed on this screen right here. And with that, have a great day, guys.